Hello everyone, welcome to MorningSpace Studio. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to run Elastic Shell from the command line. Elastic Shell is an open source project that includes a set of command line utilities to help you manage Elasticsearch. It is entirely written in Bash shell. Elastic Shell can be run both inside or outside of Docker container. Within Docker container, all dependencies have been installed and configured properly, so you don't have to do anything else but just use it. In this video, I will use the pre-built Docker image from Docker Hub to demonstrate all the work. So now let's pull the image from Docker Hub first. And then start it. Okay, it's done. For the demo purpose, I have launched another Docker container which includes an Elasticsearch cluster, and it's in a bridge network called lab-alk-net. In order to have the Elasticsearch cluster be visible to the Elastic Shell container, let's add the Elastic Shell container to the same network. Now, let's go into the Elastic Shell container. In the container, there's a soft link that have been created for Elastic Shell. So you can run a command called elash from anywhere to launch Elastic Shell. Here, elash is the abbreviation of Elastic Shell and the main entrance of all the commands that Elastic Shell provides. If you do not specify any other additional options, you will see the default help information. Here we can see all the available commands. Choose one of the command with --help. It'll take you to the detailed help information of that command. Let's choose index. You will see all the subcommands that are available to index command and some general options as well as the usage examples of these subcommands. If you run elash index without appending anything else, it'll list all the subcommands or arguments that are available based on the current context. This is very helpful if you do not know what else information that you need to provide in order to run a particular command correctly. For example, here are all the commands that you can run at the moment. Let's try cat, which maps to the Elasticsearch cat APIs. So append a cat after index. Now you can see the available commands or arguments have been changed. Choose one of them, for example, nodes. It gives you the cluster topology of the Elasticsearch server container. In our case, we only have one node. Again, we see the available commands or arguments based on the context. And this is the same as what we see before. Indices, shards, nodes, and so on, which means you can append more cat commands and chain them together, which is very cool. Let's try it. Because our Elasticsearch cluster has no any index yet, we see the indices and shards commands returning empty result. We will run the index command to create some indices later. There's one more special argument I'm going to explain, which is the triple dots argument. It means all the other cat commands. If you want to run cat commands that are not listed above, just append that command after the triple dots argument. For example, this lists all plugins that are currently running. If you just append the triple dots after cat, it'll list all the available cat commands that are supported by the Elasticsearch cluster. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. This is MorningSpace Studio.